in the tiny northern Iowa town of Plymouth. There are mostly craftsman style and Cape Cod homes in this area. I'm here to meet Jessica and Eric. They think they have the ugliest house in America. It's like a church/barn to me.
Hi, Retta.
Hello.
Come on in.
Okay.
Hi. I love the dress. That's awesome.
Jessica, Eric,
Evie.
Yep. Daughter Evie.
I feel like I'm in New Orleans.
You
Yes.
are.
It is literally the outside of a building in New Orleans.
Well, pretty much.
That's
Yeah,
the vision.
There's stars in the ceiling.
Oh, there are.
Yeah, stars are my favorite. They're dimmable too.
And then the two lights over here are outdoor lights.
They're street lights.
Yeah, they're street lights.
So how long have you lived here?
About a month.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
But it's been in Jessica's family here since the 70s.
My uncle's partner, he traveled to New Orleans a lot and he loved it, so he wanted to create that inside. My name is Jessica. This is my husband, Eric, and my daughter, Evie, and we live in Plymouth, Iowa, in the old creamery building.
It was originally constructed as a creamery. There would have been large vats full of cream that they were turning into butter and cottage cheese, anything else you can make out of milk. First time I came up here to seriously look at it to buy it, it was just overwhelmed.
You are the semifinalist in the Northern region. If you move on to the next stage, that would give you the opportunity to win a $150,000 renovation by Alison Victoria of Windy City Rehab. And if you do indeed move on to the next step, you'll hear from me.
Okay.
So thanks for having me.
Thank you for taking your time to come over here.
Thanks for not showing me all the snakes. Bye, guys. Whew. So I just left the reptilian Mardi Gras. Appearance-wise, it looks like someone tried to bring the bayou inside a house in Plymouth, Iowa. Nolan's in the entrance. Functionally, it has not been refreshed, upkept, anything since the 70s. The surprise? Snakes. It's a serpent's haven. It just feels dangerous in there.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Retta.
We need to go outside first to talk about the outside of the
All right, yeah, for sure.
Okay. So who's Alex, who's Olivia?
I'm Alex. I'm Olivia.
All right, tell me about this house. I'm expecting Gollum to run from around
Right?
the back.
It's an earth home, basically a concrete dome, and on top of it is soil and living plants. As you can see, it's kind of gotten a little out of control.
Oh, has it? I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
As far as I know, this is what they look like.
We are nurses here in Madison, Wisconsin, and we have a weird and ugly home.
I think it's not everybody's cup of tea. Most of it is underground.
There's not a whole lot of windows, so it's hard to get light into the lower levels of the house, and it does make it hard to kind of fit furniture into the curved rooms. We don't really know who to turn to for help.
It could definitely use some help.
Let's see the inside.
All right.
Okay, sounds good. This is our living room.
Are you calling this ugly?
I think it's pretty cute.
I was gonna say.
This is our favorite room in the house.
Okay.
So we haven't lived here all that long, and so certain things are kind of coming out of the woodwork, and there is sometimes leakage in between the concrete slabs. So we have to do the repairs ourselves, because it's not like, we can find the average roof repair person.
Yeah, welcome to homeowners.
Yes,
there was
this
no
is our
leaking.
first home.
Everything sucks and it's broken.
Yeah, basically. There's actually 5 distinct levels throughout the house. Some are only a couple steps apart from each other. It can be a little bit tricky for people who aren't good at stairs.
Functionally, I get. So you're gonna have to show me.
We'll show you the dirty details, I know.
I'm going to wish you good luck and exit this joint.
Sounds good. Thanks, Retta.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me. So that was the house on Gollum's Hill. Appearance-wise, it's homey, if your idea of home is an underground bomb shelter. Functionally, it's not functional. It's hard to function when you're always worried about conking your head on the ceiling or breaking your neck getting out of the tub. And The surprise was the peekaboo closet because nothing says mi casa es su casa like a room with a view into the guest bedroom. Who knew the northern region was gonna be so eclectic?
Well, we have 7 cats. So we have Cookie and Candy, Squeak, Moose and Mouse, Luke and Wally.
I can't believe I can breathe. I'm allergic to cats.
I know, we have...
Holy cow!
Retta, we knew you
We've
were
been on a
coming. We
mission
have
of
been on a
cleaning.
mission
Yes,
to
oh,
make
God
sure
bless.
you were okay. My name is Cindy, and I live in Robbins, Iowa, with my husband, Gene, and our 7 cats. Squeak. Oh my gosh.
Which cat is that?
That's Squeak. And our house is ugly.
We purchased this through an estate sale. We knew there was some repairs needed. We tried DIY and that failed.
We have a foot in 1970 and a foot in the 2020s, and it's making us do the splits.
I mean, this is a good space. It's an interesting color. Is this the cat's favorite color? Is that what's going on?
At the time, it was my favorite color.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, so nobody to blame but me.
All right, where else are we looking?
All right, we're gonna head into the kitchen.
We got a lot of brown, older cabinets. This is a
great.
floor.
Yes.
Look at you.
Original.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah. Popcorn ceiling throughout the house. And we have the leftover remnant
Wallpaper
wallpaper
on the
bulkhead.
bulkheads.
Leftover from what?
The whole room used to be that,
Oh,
you know? So
yes.
we were trying.
The walls are tan, so that's what you painted after you took down this.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we had them, they were black and gray first. There's a spot right there by the refrigerator that
Oh, okay.
kind of shows our handiwork. That's our colors.
Oh, you didn't finish painting it tan. Oh my God, give me, where's the paintbrush? Give me the paintbrush. Literally, this is what it would take.
That's from days gone by. We're on to bigger and better things.
Yeah.
New day! Appearance-wise, it's half-finished paint, fixtures that don't match. It's like they just found a pile of stuff and they were like, we can make a house out of this. I think the dysfunction comes in being bombarded with the mismatchingness. Like just being in there, you're like, you don't know where to look to get comfortable. The surprise? 7 cats. That's a lot of cats. I can't breathe. Looks like the northern region is showing us what it's got. They got ugly. The northern region was a unique mixture of ugly, but only one can sit on the throne of ugliest in the north. It's between a New Orleans knockoff where snakes outnumber humans 10 to 1, an underground bunker with a roof in desperate need of a haircut,
That's up against the exterior wall.
and a jumbled up house that not even a cat could fancy. The yellow sink is interesting.
That's harvester gold.
Oh, my bad. Harvester gold. I'm on the road and I've got my GPS set for ugly. But first, it's that time again. I get to tell some lucky homeowners that they were selected as the ugliest house in their region. Here we go. Alex, Olivia, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm here to say that you are the ugliest house in the northern region.
You're kidding.
No, I wish I was. No, I don't. I don't wish I was. The undeniable odd appearance mixed with the leaky ceilings and a treacherous shower put you over the top. So you have moved to the finals, getting you one step closer to renovation by Alison Victoria.
We're excited.
So congrats, and I'm gonna wish you luck.